Is your Goodman AC unit clicking but failing to start? This common issue usually points to electrical or mechanical problems, preventing the compressor or fan from engaging. Most frequently, it's a faulty capacitor that is unable to provide the initial jolt of power needed to start the compressor motor. When the capacitor fails, the relay clicks repeatedly as it tries to start the unit without success. Other potential causes include a failing contactor, the switch that powers the compressor, low voltage to the unit, or a tripped overload protector. We'll help you understand the most common causes to make sure you can quickly resolve the issue. Remember to always disconnect power before attempting any repairs. Diagnosing the problem starts with checking the capacitor. Use a multimeter to test its capacitance, which should be in the 5 to 50 microamp range depending on your unit's specifications. Visually inspect the capacitor for any bulges or leaks that indicate damage. If the capacitor is faulty, replacing it is often straightforward and much cheaper than calling a technician. Clean any corrosion on the contactor or replace it if visibly damaged. Ensure your AC unit is receiving the correct voltage, usually 220-240 volts. Modern Goodman units have overload protectors. Try resetting it with a button or by allowing the unit to cool down. For units with smart diagnostics like the 2024-2026 GSX series, check error codes via the Goodman ComfortNet app. If DIY isn't for you, call a professional HVC technician, especially to preserve your warranty. Note that Goodman has expanded warranties on capacitors in select models to 10 years.